Hello and welcome to my channel. So I am going to show you guys my current nighttime skincare routine. So let's go ahead and get started. So I use 4 products, okay, currently. So the first product that I use is the Hydrinity Accelerated Skin Science. It's Hyacyn Active Purifying Mist. And this is luxurious, lightweight spray that helps to balance the skin's pH, maximize effectiveness of serums, supports the skin repair process, and boosts its overall appearance, okay? After you cleanse the skin, you apply 2 to 4 pumps directly to your face, allow to dry, then follow with your serum. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys, because before I do this, I wash my face, which I already washed my face in the shower, but I'm gonna grab my face cleanser to show it to you guys. So I'm currently using 2 face cleansers, and I will switch back and forth between the 2. So what I use tonight is I use the Image, and this is the Image Ormedic line, which is their organic line. That's what my esthetician told me. So it's Image Ormedic, and it's a balancing facial cleanser. I like this because it's very, sorry, I'm trying to get it on my camera. I like this because it's very light, very natural. It's PETA approved. It has more natural ingredients in it, and that's what I used on my skin tonight. I haven't put anything else on, so I'm a little dehydrated. You can see my skin, like you can see. But I really like the way it makes my skin look. And then I'll switch in between that Image skincare and then also this Image skincare, which is the Image MD Restoring, sorry, I have a piece of hair on it. Image MD Restoring Facial Cleanser. I will have everything listed below. But this one is less natural than the other one. And I like it because when I wash my skin with this product, I can really feel like that little bit of sting in my skin. Like it has like chemicals in it, and you could really feel it getting into your skin. So I really like this one. And this one is a gently revitalizes dull skin. I really like this one a lot. But I love this one as well. So like after I went through a series of about 3 chemical peels and a hydrofacial in the last 4 months. And I did that because the med spa that I go to, I go in Fort Myers. And they offer like a monthly package where you pay $75 a month, and then you can pick if you want a microdermabrasion, a chemical peel, or a facial. So I usually do the chemical peels. I just like them. I feel like it takes off that dead layer of skin. So after I've been getting the chemical peels, my esthetician recommends to use this Image face wash. So I've been using that one. So that's the 2 face washes I've been using. Washed my face with this one tonight, the Ormedic one. And then afterwards, I will go ahead and use this Hydrinity Hyacyn Active Purifying Mist, which I just kind of explained to you guys. And I really like this. I use this before I put my makeup on, even if I'm not wearing makeup. I just feel like it really gives my skin like a good overall look, and also moisture. I mean, I will moisturize my face after this, but I don't know, it's something about this. It makes my skin look nice, and it makes it feel good. So it says 2 to 4 pumps, but I go a little heavy on it. Like that's way more than 2 to 4, but it just feels so good that you want more. And I feel like I could definitely use the hydration, especially like around my eyes. Sometimes I'll close my eyes and just spray it on top of my eyes. So, but you can already you see how it has that like shine to it. Yes, it's on my skin, the moisture from spraying it, but it just gives it so much better overall look. Okay, then the next thing, once that dries, I will go in with a hyaluronic acid serum, and I don't think it really matters which one you use. I mean, there may be some that are better than others. This particular one I purchased from Dermani Med Spa, which is where I go. And I will have the link of the place that I go to it below as well. Sorry, I have to stop saying so much. But I will have that place listed below. And what I really like about them, they're in Fort Myers. I don't live in Fort Myers, but I live near Fort Myers, so it's convenient for me. And they had really good reviews. I like that they had their prices online. They were kind of straight up and straightforward. So, and I've been very happy with their services and with going to them, and, you know, with my chemical peels and my hydrofacials and everything. I really feel like my skin has improved. So if you are in the area, it may be something you may want to check out. And then, so like I said, yeah, this is the hyaluronic acid serum. So I will go ahead and apply that to my skin now. And I like the hyaluronic acid because it makes my skin feel so hydrated and moisturized. And I will tell you guys exactly, I have my tablet here in front of me. I will tell you exactly what hyaluronic acid serums do to the skin. I put it around my eye. I don't know if you're supposed to or not. I probably should look that up. But it gives the skin a lot of moisture, and I have that dryness around my eyes. So that's why I like to put it around my eye area. So I'll just go ahead and add a little bit more. I will do my neck. What do they call it? Your decolleté? Decolleté? I cannot say it. Oh my goodness. I'm horrible. So yeah. So it says hyaluronic acid serum is a powerful lightweight hydrator. Okay. It draws moisture into the skin, plumping it up to minimize the appearance of fine lines and create a dewy, supple complexion. I swear I cannot read. It's highly effective and safe for all skin types. Okay. So deep hydration, instant plumping, softens fine lines, and soothes irritation. Okay. So yeah, so I just put that on my skin. Like I said, I will put it around my eyes. It just feels good because my eyes are so dry. And then like this is already dried up. I guess that just shows you how dehydrated my skin is. I do spend a lot of time in the sun, and I try to put sunscreen on, but there are so many days that I don't put sunscreen on, and I really hate myself for it because I know I'm going to regret it later. I already see like, you know, getting like age spots, you see like right there. And it's normal. I mean, it's part of life. I even put it on my lips. Especially like, if you don't want to put it on your lips, I like to put it at least on that line area, because I feel like as we age, a lot of people will get those wrinkle lines there, and I'll put that just to kind of avoid it. I wanted to see if I have something. Okay. So I got the hyaluronic acid all over my skin, and it looks good. Like my skin already looks so much better. Look at the eye area. I mean, yeah, you can still see my wrinkles, but it looks so much more hydrated. And then I have this like one lazy eye. It just hangs down. They say you should do this, and it really will like help with just lifting your skin. Okay. So I got that on, and now I'm going to go in with an eye cream, and I have a sample size of the Image Vital C Hydrating Eye Cream, but it's just a sample size, but I really like it. I need to get the big one, but for now I'm going to use what I have, this vegan collagen eye serum, and I got this from Amazon. I did see it at Target the other day. It has collagen, triple hyaluronic acid, and 5 peptide complex, and I like that it's got this little massager on the end here, so you can, and then you just kind of push it out. You push it out. Let's see if you guys can see it. No. See, you push it out, and then the serum comes out. So that's a lot that I pushed out, so I'm just gonna use it for both eyes. So yeah. I was gonna say, before I turn it on, I have another one that vibrates, which is pretty good too. But this is not that one. So then I just roll it in. And I like that it's got this little massager, so it stimulates the collagen, gets the blood pumping to help with those under eye bags. And then whatever I have left over, I put in between my eyes, because I feel like from smiling and being in the sun, we always get those wrinkles. And then sometimes I'll put it around my lip. Those fine lines there. Maybe even the forehead. I know I'm basically putting my eye serum all over my face. But there's just leftover, so instead of letting it go to waste, I'll just kind of put it in other spots. Okay, so that is the, and this is Korean skincare, this eye serum. Just kind of fanning it out. Normally I'll just kind of let it dry out and then put my other things on. So the other thing I do, and if you've seen other videos of mine, you see me talk about this all the time because I love it. My Walmart Equate Derma roller with the little micro needling pins on it. I'm filming with my cell phone and I swear I just can't get. So, okay. So this you can use all over your face, but I'm lazy and I didn't put it on my face. Sometimes I do. But I like to put it on my lips because it stimulates the collagen, gets the blood pumping. And my lips right now, they're dry. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're dry. Like you see the inside is obviously more moist, but you can see how dry it is there. So I will use this and I'll just do this for a few minutes, you know, I guess until I get tired of it. I really like to do this before I'm putting my makeup on. Because, or when I'm doing a YouTube video, I just hit my tooth. When I'm doing a YouTube video, I'll do this to make my lips look less dry, more plumped and more moist. And then I'll go ahead after I do this and I put a little bit of Vaseline on them just to make them look kind of juicy and like healthy as opposed to dry and crusty. Because if I don't do this, I swear they will look dry and crusty and I hate it. I've been thinking about doing lip injections. I like my lips though, but I have to do these kind of things to make them look nice. But I've been thinking about doing lip injections just because as you get older, you get those, your lips shrink and then you get those little lines in them and they just look all dry and just not fresh. So yes. Okay. Let me stop torturing you guys. I'm gonna grab my Vaseline. You can use all kinds of different lip products, but to be honest with you, I mean, Vaseline's so inexpensive and like, I think I bought this for like $1.50 or something. I'm like, look, it's huge. And it does the same thing, you know? Because I feel like I really want to be more minimalism with the amount of products I use, just because I hate clutter. So look at that. Doesn't it look so much better, so much healthier, my lips? Compared to what it was before. And I probably should have put my moisturizer on first, but that's okay. And you know, honestly, with whatever little bit I have left over, I'll even kind of put it, like pat it on my eye area. Because my eye area is just so dry. That I don't feel like, I feel like there's not enough moisturizer I can put on it, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Image Vital C. This is Image Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream. So I'm gonna go ahead with that. This is what it looks like inside. So it comes with a little tool. I just use my fingernail, but it comes with this little thing here to pick up the product, but I just honestly use my fingers. I like to use my fingers for everything. My face products, my makeup. This feels more natural and just easier. I feel like the world would sell us everything and they'll keep selling it if we buy it, you know, but it's like, how many tools and things do I need? I just want to keep it simple. Put a little bit down my neck. I tend to go downwards, but I'm gonna go upwards to lock in that moisture. I mean, not locking that moisture. What am I talking about? To keep my skin from sagging downwards and keep it going up. And then just simply pat around the eyes. I do put this around the eyes. I know this is like the third thing I'm putting around my eyes, but like I said, I just feel like the more moisture I have around my eyes, the better, to keep them looking fresh. So that's it. So that is my nighttime routine. And to be honest with you, it's kind of my daytime routine right now as well. This Vital C hydrating cream, you can use it day or night. So like I said, this is my daytime and my nighttime routine. It's not something that's specific just to nighttime. But, sorry, I have like a blemish there. I thought it was a piece of hair. But look how much better. Like, just, I'm going to show you guys up close. Like, hydrated wise. And just like, so much more moisture locked into my skin. Sorry, my nose is so, I feel like my nose is getting so fat. Yeah, so much better. Just one last recap. These are the products, face washes I'm using. This is Image Restoring Facial Cleanser. Image Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. Hydrinity Mist, Purifying Mist. The Vegan Collagen Eye Serum that I purchased from Amazon, but I did see it at Target the other day. The Dermani Med Spa Hyaluronic Acid Serum. And then the Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream. And then, of course, my Equate Microderm Roller and the Vaseline for my lips. So this wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you in some way. If you have any questions, listen below. I would love to know some products that you guys use on your skincare at night. So just leave them in the comments if you want to. I would love it. I feel like I always say this. Like, let me know what you guys use, foundation, concealer, and nobody says anything. Somebody say something, please. Let me know some of your favorite products so I can try them out. Okay. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.